Schools taught us algebra and history, but not how to actually manage money. So here are 3 money hacks schools never taught you that can change your financial game. Before you pay bills, before you buy anything, put at least 10% of your income straight into savings or investments. Automate it. This way, you build wealth in the background without even thinking about it. Instead of letting cash sit in a low-interest account, start with simple index funds or ETFs. Even a small amount, invested consistently, can grow massively over time thanks to compound interest. The earlier you start, the richer future you becomes. The earlier you start, the richer future you becomes. Don't rely on just one income stream. Whether it's freelancing, selling digital products, or using AI tools for online gigs, your side hustle can become your safety net, or even your main hustle. These are 3 simple money hacks schools never taught you, but now you know. Which one will you start today? Like and subscribe for more videos like this.